Sweet tooth alert! The Philippines brings us purple yam cupcakes. We are also adding a cheesy twist to this awesome cupcake. For that perfect sweet and savory treat, come join me in this culinary adventure. What makes this cupcake extraordinary is the use of purple yam as the main ingredient. Ube, as it is called in the Philippines where it originated from, has a sweet, nutty taste, reminiscent of sweet potato or taro. Instead of using fresh purple yam, we shall be using the more convenient dried purple yam powder for this recipe. This is a gift from my good friend Dora Chan. You can check out his adventures by following his Instagram and TikTok. Thank you, Dora Chan. Here are the rest of the ingredients. First, let's measure out the baking powder, baking soda, salt. We shall also grate some cheddar cheese and cut some cream cheese for topping and filling later. Now, let's prepare the dry ingredients. All-purpose flour, purple yam powder, and the baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix thoroughly. For the wet ingredients, add in vegetable oil, sugar, mix, add milk, eggs, vanilla extract. Mix very well with a whisk. Slowly introduce the dry ingredients, 2 tablespoons at a time while whisking. Mix until batter is thoroughly smooth.
If you enjoy our video, please tap the like button. Drop a comment if you have any question. Share our video. Also subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so we can keep cooking together.
Pour batter in the baking tin with cupcake liners. Fill up to 2/3. Press 1 cream cheese cube into the center of each cup. Cover with the rest of the batter to fully encase the cream cheese. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Sprinkle the top of each cupcake with grated cheddar cheese right after taking out from the oven. Allow the cheese to melt beautifully on the cupcake. There you have it, purple yam cupcakes. Look at these purple perfection. Enjoy these festive goodies any time of the year. Thank you very much for joining me today. Come back next week for another delicious adventure.
Watching and cooking along helps this channel, but if you'd like to do a little more, support us with Buy Me a Coffee. We would appreciate it.
Thank you for watching. Check out other recipes and plushy videos right here.